Hi everyone, in this video, we are going to discuss how to edit sales invoices. So for that purpose, I'll come in customers option so you can see the list of customers with balances. You have to double click to open a customer ledger so you can see the sales invoices in open entries there. Now you can access from previous year, current year, future year, all entries. Okay. So you can access all the bills from the different period. Now you have to click here, so you will get this kind of display. And here there is option of edit selected transactions. Now there are two tabs. In general, you can change invoice number, date, transaction details, credit terms and all things. And from entries, you can change figures, that is amount and ledgers. Suppose if I want to change ledgers, then I can do accordingly. I can change the group, I can create a new customer from here. Okay, I can select the customer. So let's create one customer number 004. Okay, so this one is my new customer. I have to just select that customer and just click on OK. Okay, so our new customer has been successfully created and the entry transfer from previous customer to new. Okay, same way I can change amounts. So to change amount, I have to just click on particular ledger and I can change the amount here. I can change VAT also. Okay. You have to enter carefully. I am just entering random figures here. So you have to proper calculate things and then after you need to enter the figures. Same way I can delete the transaction from this option. Okay. So as you can see, the transaction is deleted. Now, as you can see, I come into the customers option. So this one is shortcut of reach on invoice edit display. Okay. Once you click on reference, you will get this kind of display. Now from here, I can edit, delete. Okay. I can also create credit notes. I can copy this invoice. Fine. So let's make change in ledger. This time I'm going to transfer from sales to fees. And okay. So you can see the modification. And the same way, if you want to delete any transaction, you have to just click on particular reference. Okay. Once you get this kind of display, you will find the option of delete selected transaction. Just click there. Okay. So in customer, you can delete the customer. Okay. And see if there is a balance of this customer 130. So I'm not able to delete this because it contains entries. So you have to delete the entries first, then after you are able to delete that particular customer only. Okay. So in this way, we can edit, delete sales invoices. We can delete customers. Okay. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.